Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat device ban problem in your Snapchat account. So guys, if you're facing the problem that your account has been banned on some specific device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So before that, simply watch this video till the end. So first of all, go back to your home screen and from here open up settings in your device, and from here scroll it below, tap on general, and from here scroll it below, tap on iPhone storage, and after this you have to scroll it below and tap on Snapchat, and from here you have to offload your Snapchat for one time. So guys, simply offload your Snapchat app, and after this go back to your home screen and from here open your app store, search for app store. Here it is. So guys, open your Snapchat. So guys, from here search for your Snapchat. Here it is, and from here you have to simply download and install the latest version of Snapchat in your device. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you're still facing this problem, then you have to download a VPN in your device. So guys, open your app store again and search here for hotspot shield. Here it is. So guys, you have to simply download and install the hotspot shield VPN in your device, and after this you have to connect your device through this hotspot, and after this try to check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you're still facing this problem, then open your browser in your device. Here I am opening my Google Chrome and search here for support.snapchat. Here it is, and after this tap on Snapchat support and wait for some seconds here. And from here you have to select the reason. From here you can click on I think my account was compromised, and after this scroll it below, and from here you have to enter your username, and after this enter your email address on which you have access right now, and enter your active mobile number, and after this you have to describe here the problem which you are facing right now. So as describe your problem here, and you have to submit this request to the Snapchat team, and hopefully they will try to contact you back within 24 hours, and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours as well. So hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.